Pitch is a platform that allows you to create presentations and also edit them in multiple different ways. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, I've actually imported my deck as a Chief AI Officer, which is what I typically send to my clients. I'm going to click Open Presentation here. And let's see exactly what we can do. Okay, so we've got all these elements, which are of course companies I've worked with in the past. And as you can see, there's a whole number of things we can do. I can actually I can add a recording. So let's say I want to add a recording here. Okay, this looks quite interesting. I can essentially add a recording and get it to actually, interesting. So I can actually get it to record a bit of, a bit of visual. So what I'll click here is I'll say, let's go with allow this time. And okay, cool. So I can start the recording. I'm going to go with this audio setting and I've basically got this here. So what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to click start and I'm just going to say a quick sentence.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
What humanity needs to understand is that AI was never been after our jobs. It's only ever been after our excuses, the things we procrastinate on and the tasks we find tedious. That's really what it's coming for. Once you understand this, then it makes it much easier to actually start using these tools to make sure you're not the friction in the system, because that is what will be eliminated by AI and large language models. Okay, good stuff. So I was just whiffing off the top there. I'm going to click save. So now that recording is being uploaded. It's just about 27 seconds. I can do multiple takes, which I think is pretty cool. The fact that you can add videos into a pitch deck is really cool. So right now it's still okay, cool. So now I think it's been saved. Great stuff. So I can click X out of this. I can move this anywhere I want. I can also create, I can add different kinds of media from like different integrations. They've got Unsplash, Giphy. I can add shapes, charts, tables, and even import CSVs and Google Analytics and Google Sheets as well. I can also embed things, and there's quite a lot you can do with this. I would definitely recommend it. I may actually start including some recordings on my pitch deck, so it's easier for potential clients to actually see what I'm exactly what I look like and how I articulate myself. It looks like there's a bit of a formatting issue there. I know this is definitely correct on my actual pitch deck, so perhaps how PowerPoints are sort of understood by pitch is something that could be looked into by the team if any of them are watching this. But for the most part, I think this is a really cool platform. It seems like everything is just everything seems to work really well. There's only this minor formatting issue, but other than that, definitely a useful platform. Definitely check it out if you think it would be useful for you. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.